Hello, welcome. Cody Matechuk here, taking you through the fork guard adapters by Matechuk111 Parts. This is your kit. This is what it looks like. Provided bolts and the two brackets, one for your left, one for your right fork. Alright, so all you're going to need is a 4mm and a 5mm Allen key, your stock fork bolts, and then your two fork guards, and some blue Loctite. First step, we're going to blue Loctite all the bolts. Next step, make sure you got the right ones. They're going to hook in, so this is left, this is right. So I got the left, and what do we got? The left. What you're going to do is start where the most inside hole. It's at the tightest part of the bend. You're going to line it up with the fork like this. Get the first one started. I usually just put that one in there like that. Get this to start threading. You're going to bring it all the way in till it almost touches. And then turn it, flex it, and then this is when we're going to line up the second hole and then line up the third hole after. So on the second hole, squish the plastic, not all the way, just kind of play with it. Don't force it. She'll start to go. Snug it all the way in. Make sure that you pushed it nice and flat, and you can even give it a little bit of an extra tighten, and that'll help push the plastic over to line up the next hole. Throw the last bolt in. Get her started, kind of flex it over, make sure it's not cross-threaded, and tighten it down. Once you got all the bolts in, just make sure they're backed off a little bit, and if you kind of pre-rotate it like you're pushing the fork guard back, kind of preload it that way. It doesn't have much wiggle, they're pretty snug fit, but it just helps it keep nice and close to the fork. Snug, snug, and snug. So that's what you're going to have, and then it's ready to get put on the bike. So I'll set that aside and start on fork guard 2. Alright, so we got both fork guards mounted onto the brackets. We're going to put our 4mm away, grab the 5mm and the 6 provided bolts, 3 for each side, and get going onto the bike. Follow me. So now the idea is this fits around your snow bike bracket to space it out, obviously. It's a little bit tight right around the spindle, so this is the side you're going to start first. So what I like to do, get one bolt started, put it into the hole, throw your Allen key with a ball end on it, and just try and feel it to get it started, just like that. Now it's in most of the way, but not snugged up. This allows you to move around the rest of the stuff. Now we're going to go to the side here and do the side one. Once you got the front one and the side one in, last but not least, the center one, give it a look, line it up, get it started. Now remember, these fork threaded holes for your stock fork guards are pretty soft metal, so make sure that you got it started the right way. Don't start reefing on anything, because you can strip it. Now next, snug them up. They have Loctite, so not too crazy. just like you're putting on the 4mm head fork bolts, guard bolts onto your stock ones, you're not going to do them too much, right? Just a little bit snug. Now this last one is a bit snug close to the spindle. It's just the way the Yamaha forks are, how they wrap around. But you should be able to get an Allen key in there, give it a nice snug. And you got a fork guard for the winner. Repeat the process for the other side, and you should be off to the races. Now remember, these bottom fork bolts, the fork bolt holes are soft, so careful as you're putting them in. Like I said, I recommend doing the tightest one to the center, then the outer one, snug them up, get that center one in, and you should be dialed after that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys, and comment, let me know what you guys think. We're going to try and bring you some more parts in the future. This is the Matechuk111 Parts fork guard extenders. I wish I had a better name for them, but there we go. Thanks for watching.